Hi guys, it's Bruno and today I'm gonna show you how to make the most of your home workout. There's a bunch of reasons that would make you wanna work out at home. It saves time, it saves money, and you also don't have to smell other people's sweat. By training at home only, you probably won't be able to get huge muscles, but you can surely stay fit. Did you know that you can use bananas for other things than just eating them? See? Training my biceps. Bananas can also be used if someone enters your house at night. Dead. The only things you'll need when you work out at home is a workout mat, some water, and some music. Sorry, that was the wrong song. I use it when I wanna cry only. So the main things you can do at home are push-ups, training your abs, and body weight squats. My advice for you is to do all the exercises as slow as you can for maximum tension, and also don't rest a lot. Rest for a very short time so you burn more fat and increase your metabolism. I'm advising you to do high intensity training. You can also jump rope if you live on the first floor or if you really hate the neighbor downstairs. Jump rope is a great cardio. It improves your coordination and it also makes sure your neighbors don't sleep. Let me demonstrate you how you would train if you were to work out at home. So let's say that you're gonna train abs. You're gonna train as slowly as you can for maximum tension, and also you're gonna jump to the other exercise real quick. In the abs example, it's best if you don't rest at all and do the exercises consecutively without rest. Let me show you. So say I'm starting with this exercise. I'm gonna go really slow. 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 See how my abs are under tension? I got great abs, right? So say I finish with this exercise, immediately I'm gonna do the other one. And I'm done with it also, immediately I go to the next one, really slow like we said. When you work out at home, you have to make sure that you do different exercises. Even if it's push-ups, try to do different versions of push-ups, because not only you'll tend to not get bored by changing it, but also you'll be using different muscle fibers and your muscles will grow much more. If at first I do push-ups just like naturally like this, and see, I'm done with the set now. The next set I'm gonna do a different version of push-ups. Okay? So I can just do like this. Open my arms a bit more. This is more for your boys. As you might have realized, working out at home isn't as productive as working out at the gym, but it's better than not working out at all for sure. So no excuses. You can get a lot of other equipment that will make training at home more productive and more fun. I just don't have those because I usually train at the gym, because I don't mind other people that are sweaty because I usually sweat more than them. So I'm the main guy there. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.